Welcome back guys to another cocktail video. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. I have a question for you. Have you heard about Tom Collins cocktail? I'm guessing you have. But did you know that Tom Collins has a distant cousin in Mexico called Jose Collins? And that's what we're making today, ladies and gents. Jose Collins, really easy to make, 4 ingredients only, nothing too complicated. So without further ado, let's make it. So of course, we're going to start with tequila, Reposado, 60 ml or 2 ounces. Followed by 25 ml of lemon juice. Third ingredient, simple syrup, 15 ml, half an ounce. Now we need ice. And we're going to give it a good shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need the Collins glass, fill it with ice. And I'm going to stir in our cocktail over fresh ice. Now top it off with soda. And garnish with an orange wheel and a maraschino cherry. That's it, ladies and gents. Jose Collins. Cheers! Classic Collins cocktail. Fizzy, tasty, refreshing. You can take that smokiness from Reposado Tequila, but it's pretty good, it's pretty refreshing. So if you like any type of Collins cocktail, this is your go-to. Try it, definitely try it. That's it, ladies and gents, another quick and easy recipe. Try to make it and let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Do you like Collins cocktails? If the answer is yes, tell me what type of Collins you like. If I'm not annoying too much, hit that like button and subscribe, it means a lot, it helps the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.